In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add descriptions to questions in Google Forms. This feature comes in handy when you want to provide extra context or instructions for the questions you ask in your form, making it much clearer for respondents. Let's dive right in and explore this process step by step. To begin with, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Forms by typing in the URL or using the link in your Apps menu within your Google account interface. Once on the Google Forms page, you'll want to create a new form. Start by clicking on the blank form option. This will take you to a new, empty form where you can let your creativity flow and tailor your survey or quiz exactly as you need it. Now, let's give this form a working title. As an example, you might be creating a quiz, so just type quiz in the provided field. This not only helps you keep organized, but also sets a clear purpose for your audience. With your form named, it's time to enter your first question. Simply click into the question field and type whatever question you need respondents to answer. This can be anything depending on your survey or quiz objectives. Next, you'll need to add answer choices. This is particularly useful for multiple choice questions. Simply enter each choice below the question field. Google Forms automatically provides space for multiple options, but you can add more as needed. It's at this point that you might need to highlight a specific part of your question or add emphasis. Click on the field where your question is situated. Ensure your cursor is active in that part if your plan involves highlighting text or making changes to font styling for clarity. To introduce a description to your question, first, click on the three vertical dots located on the lower right side of the question field. These three dots provide additional settings and features. Among these options, find and click on Description. This action will open up a new field right below your question where you can add the additional information. In this newly opened description field, type in your details or instructions that complement the question. Here you can clarify terms, provide examples, or set conditions. Anything that aids your respondents in accurately answering your question. Once you're satisfied with the form's content and context, it's crucial to preview how the form will look to those filling it out. To do this, click on the eye icon at the top of the screen. This will open a new page showing an exact preview, allowing you to see the question descriptions in context. That's it. With this preview step, you now have a perfectly well-designed form, complete with questions and their respective descriptions beautifully laid out for the clarity and convenience of your users. Now, you're all set to start gathering meaningful responses with your newly polished Google form.